Hello folks, it's that time again already for What's for Supper Wednesday. Time sure is a flying. Today we're going to be having Instapot Cheerwine barbecue. It's the first time we've tried this recipe. We'll let you know here at the end how it turns out. Now there is one substitution we did on this. We was going to use the Boston butt, but we'd already got those in the freezer. But we did have a pork loin, so we cut that in half, and Carolyn will be fixing the other half a little bit later on. Other than that, everything you see there is what we did. Easy with that camera. Quit shaking us up here. Don't get us sick. Alrighty, just after we get all of our dry ingredients there put in the bowl, we're just going to whisk them together, get them all mixed up good. And then we're going to rub the meat down with it. And you can do it from anywhere from an hour to overnight. We did ours overnight. Cubed up the meat. There it is with the seasoning on there. Alrighty. Turn it on the saute. Put you a little bit of oil down in the bottom there, and we're going to brown the meat up. Just throw you a few down in there where it's a lot easier to get them browned. You can see it already is sizzling. Alrighty. Carolyn there now, she's taking them browned pieces, setting them to the side, and she's going to add some more in there, and we'll just continue that process till we get them all browned up. Alrighty, now we're going to pour vinegar and cheerwine down in there, and then just scrape that around, get all that goodness there, just deglaze it with that liquid. She's pouring it in, we can't see, but she is pouring it in there. Fogged this up a little bit. Yep, just give that a stir. Get all that flavor on the bottom there stirred up. Alrighty. Now just start placing your cubes of meat back down in there. And put that lid on there. For 45 minutes on high. And then while that's a cooking, Carolyn's going to make us some coleslaw. This here's some that she had made the freezer slaw. Just thaw it out there in some water. This slaw's good, folks. It really is. Alright, she's just draining it there now. Just pressing out whatever liquid's still in it there, water. And then she's going to mix in some mayonnaise. Whatever mayonnaise kind you prefer. We like Duke's. Mom and Dad, they like Kraft. She's starting off with about a 1/4 cup. And then you just mix it up. If you need more in yours, you add you a little bit more. You can eat it without the mayonnaise in there also. We just prefer ours with it. Now we let the Instant Pot do a natural release for about 10 minutes, and then we went ahead and did a manual release. Opened it up. Let the pressure come off. And there's your meat. We're going to spoon that out into our bowl. And then take a couple forks and just shred it up. It's good and tender. Of course, I still like my barbecue on the smoker, but this here was pretty good, quick, easy. We're pouring our juice back down into it there. It did turn out pretty good, folks. Look at that plate. Carolyn cooked us some green beans. I believe that was the last of our Landreth green beans we've had. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And you all have a blessed day. Thank you again for watching. We'll see you soon.